Hello everyone, welcome to Super Saksham. My name is Saksham Bhoir, Sanjuni International School, Kharghar from 1st A. Today I will speak about sound pollution. Sound pollution is a disturbing sound which can harm the human and animal life. Due to sound pollution, most of damage is loss of ear screen, which affect the ability to listen. It is also cause threat to the life of heart patients. It is very harmful, hence necessary steps should be taken. There are many preventive measures of sound pollution, such as use earphones, promoting the construction of the building of soundproof in the industry. Promoting education is the best way to control not only sound pollution but also problems which are facing day-to-day life. So from today, say no to sound pollution. Thank you. If you like my video, then please share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of another new exciting video. We'll meet you soon and then bye bye.